Let's take a look at what's inside the box and become familiar with your AllSecure600 2K wireless security kit. In the box you should have an AllSecure NVR Power Hub, NVW600 CMB wireless cameras with batteries, outdoor mounting stands, a power adapter, the mouse, an HDMI cable, an Ethernet cable, a USB to USB-C charging cable, mounting screws and plugs, and theft deterrent stickers. On the back of the unit you will see an HDMI port for connecting an HDMI display, a network port for connecting to your network, a USB port for connecting the mouse, the reset button, a USB port for connecting a flash drive to copy events or perform a firmware upgrade, a power input for powering the unit, and a micro SD card slot. Looking at each camera you will find the lens, the microphone, sensor spotlights, a TrueDetect PIR heat and motion sensor, the speaker for the siren, and a rechargeable battery.